Interviewer, thank you for joining me today. To get started, could you please introduce yourself and share your experience with mobile app UI/UX design, as well as your proficiency with Illustrator? Freelancer, hello, and thank you for having me. I'm a freelance UI/UX designer with a focus on mobile app design. I have been in the field for over 4 years, specializing in creating user-friendly and visually appealing interfaces. Illustrator is one of my primary tools for design work. Interviewer, great to have you. Our company is in need of a UI/UX revamp for our mobile app to enhance user experience and overall design aesthetics. We have a budget of $100 for this project. Does that align with your expectations? Freelancer, thank you for providing the budget information. While it's on the lower side, I'm confident that we can work within those constraints to deliver a quality mobile app design. Could you provide more details about the app and your specific goals for the redesign? Interviewer, certainly. We're looking for a modern and intuitive design that aligns with our brand. The main goals are to improve user engagement and streamline the overall user experience. Freelancer, understood. Given the budget, I propose focusing on key screens that are critical for user interaction. We can start with the main screen and one additional screen, perhaps a key feature or user workflow screen. This way, we ensure a well-designed and user-friendly experience within the given budget. How does that sound? Interviewer, that sounds reasonable. Can you provide a breakdown of how you plan to allocate the budget for these key screens? Freelancer, I suggest allocating $60 for the main screen design, as it often requires more attention to detail. The remaining $40 can be used for the additional screen, including any necessary revisions based on your feedback. Interviewer, okay, that makes sense. How many initial design concepts and revisions are included in the proposed budget? Freelancer, typically, I provide 2 initial design concepts for each screen. The budget includes 1 round of revisions for each screen, allowing us to fine-tune the design based on your feedback. Interviewer, that's fair. In terms of the timeline, how long do you anticipate the entire process will take? Freelancer, given the scope of the project, I estimate about 1 week for the initial design concepts and feedback rounds, and an additional week for the finalization of both screens in Illustrator. Interviewer, alright, that timeline works for us. Before we proceed, do you have any questions or concerns about the project? Freelancer, I don't have any concerns at the moment. However, it's important to note that any additional revisions or scope changes beyond the agreed-upon terms would be subject to an additional fee. Is that acceptable? Interviewer, understood. We appreciate your clarity. Let's move forward with the proposed plan. Could you please send over a brief contract outlining the terms, and we can get started? Freelancer, absolutely, I'll prepare that and send it your way shortly. Thank you for considering me for this project. I'm excited to improve the UI/UX of your mobile app. Interviewer, thank you. We're looking forward to seeing your creative work and the positive impact it will have on our mobile app's user experience.